As the cost of living continues to rise, more homeowners in Clearwater are taking proactive steps to reduce their energy bills and increase home comfort. One of the most effective ways to do so is by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. These windows not only help lower monthly utility costs but also enhance your home's comfort, aesthetic appeal, and environmental footprint. Here's why homeowners in Clearwater are making the switch to energy-efficient windows. Lower energy bills. Clearwater's hot and humid climate can make cooling your home during the summer months a significant expense. Traditional windows often contribute to high energy consumption by allowing hot air to enter during the summer and cool air to escape during the winter. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This insulation helps your HVAC system work less, which can result in significant savings on your monthly energy bills. By reducing the strain on your air conditioning, you're also extending the life of your cooling system, saving you money on repairs and replacements. Increased comfort year-round. Energy-efficient windows help create a more comfortable living environment in Clearwater's ever-changing climate. These windows are engineered to provide better insulation, blocking drafts and regulating temperature fluctuations inside your home. This means no more hot spots by the windows in the summer or chilly areas in the winter. Whether you're trying to cool down during a Florida heatwave or keep warm during a rare cold snap, these windows help maintain a consistent, comfortable indoor temperature, enhancing the overall livability of your home. Noise reduction. And living near busy roads, airports, or crowded neighborhoods in Clearwater can result in constant exposure to outdoor noise. Energy-efficient windows not only improve your home's insulation from heat but also provide better noise reduction. Many of these windows feature multi-pane glass and soundproofing technologies, which reduce the amount of noise entering your home. If you've been frustrated with the constant hum of traffic or loud neighbors, upgrading to energy-efficient windows could make a significant difference in reducing noise pollution and providing a quieter, more peaceful living space. Boosted curb appeal and home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal. New, sleek windows can give your property a fresh, modern look that stands out in the neighborhood. In Clearwater, where homes often reflect a blend of traditional and contemporary styles, energy-efficient windows come in a variety of designs and finishes to complement any aesthetic. Moreover, investing in energy-efficient windows can increase your home's resale value. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for homes with modern, energy-efficient features, and new windows can be a strong selling point when it comes time to sell. Environmental impact. In addition to the financial and aesthetic benefits, energy-efficient windows also make a positive environmental impact. By reducing the amount of energy your home uses for heating and cooling, you're lowering your household's carbon footprint. This contributes to less reliance on non-renewable resources and helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which is a significant benefit for Clearwater residents who want to live in a more sustainable, eco-friendly way. UV protection for interiors. Florida's sunny climate means homeowners in Clearwater often face the problem of sun damage to furniture, flooring, and artwork. Over time, ultraviolet (UV) rays can fade and deteriorate the materials inside your home. Energy-efficient windows often have special coatings that block up to 99% of harmful UV rays. This protection helps preserve the colors and integrity of your furnishings, keeping them looking fresh longer and protecting your valuable investments. Tax incentives and rebates. One of the hidden benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient windows is the potential for tax credits and rebates. Many homeowners in Clearwater take advantage of state and federal incentives for energy-saving home improvements. These programs can help offset the initial costs of replacing old windows, making the upgrade even more affordable. Be sure to check with local utility companies and government agencies to see if you qualify for any incentives. Conclusion: upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an investment that offers numerous benefits for homeowners in Clearwater. From lower energy bills and increased comfort to improved curb appeal and environmental sustainability, these windows provide long-term value. With Clearwater's hot summers, noise, and occasional storms, energy-efficient windows help create a more comfortable, quieter, and secure living environment. If you're considering a home upgrade, investing in energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest choices you can make for your home and your wallet. Ready to make the upgrade? Contact a trusted window installation professional in Clearwater today to explore your options and start enjoying the benefits of energy-efficient windows in your home.